Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Okay, y'all. So today I am bringing you guys a new wig, but we're doing this video a little different today because I've already done the unboxing and gave y'all my thoughts of this wig, but I deleted the footage. So I've already worn this wig before, not like out and taking pictures. I just did a video. The first video, I didn't like the wig that much. I thought it wasn't for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and style it on camera for you guys and, you know, try to make it do what it do. Cause I feel like in the first video, I really didn't give it a chance. I just stuck it on my head and was like, I don't like it. So, I will be using the Sally Hansen method. You guys have been asking me about that method. If you would like to see a detailed video, just put in Sally Hansen method in the YouTube search and it'll give you a list of videos. I watched more than one video, so I don't have anyone specific that I'm like, go watch your video, because everyone basically does the same thing. I got the Sally Hansen airbrush spray on my part right now, y'all. It be bringing your parts to life. I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig out the package. This is the Janet Collection Kelly wig in the color 1B, and she's a short bob, like a short wavy bob. And this is what she looks like. I've only worn her one time because I wasn't feeling her, but I think I'm going to just have to bring her to life. On the inside of the wig, we have the two combs in the front. We have one comb in the back with the adjustable straps. I went ahead and sprayed the Sally Hansen Airbrush Glow. It's called Deep Glow. I already sprayed it on the inside of the wig. And basically, I just spray it on and blow dry it for a couple of seconds and it's good to go. And if it does get on your wig, it comes off easily. It comes off easy with the baby wipe. The spray can become too much. You know, it can get really, really light. So I just darken it up with a little bit of my pressed powder. And, you know, I go around the hairline so it's not that bright, because I'm not that bright. I'm not that light skinned, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on my head, and we're just going to take it from there, okay? She is kind of big head friendly, like, she's really big head friendly. I think I'm going to get my wig grip. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to leave it off for right now. Okay, so here we go. This is Kelly, and as you can see, she's like a bob, like, I'm going to turn to the side. So, when I first wore this wig, I didn't like it that much. I thought I looked like wannabe Beyonce in the Drunken Love video. Like, we be all night, love. But she looked good, but I thought I looked like oodles and noodles. Like, I'm just being real. So I'm going to, you know, try to bring it to life a little bit. I'm going to style it and put some water and some mousse on it. And I'm going to flatten the top just a little bit with my curling wand. So you guys can just watch me style it. And then I'll come back and give my final thoughts on the wig. I went ahead and added water and mousse to the left side, and this is it on the right side. Drop a comment, let me know, what do you prefer? You prefer this poofy look, or you prefer the more defined look? Okay, this is her after I tamed her a little bit. I am feeling her a lot more now that she's tamed. This is a cute summer look. Now that I put mousse all over, I'll go ahead and turn so you can see it. I know when I originally did the video, I said I would like this wig more if it was a free part. Because I like it with, you know, some of it over like this, like a little bang. Some wigs, I can swing it being a middle part, and some I can't. So I just feel like this flip over method is a lot more cuter. It's for me. If you like a middle part and you like this messy look, this is definitely a wig for you. Okay. Ooh, yeah. I'm feeling her a little bit more now that I've done that. Yeah. She's nicer tucked behind the ear. Okay, y'all. And I'm back with my final thoughts of this wig. First, I would like to say thank you to Jenna Collection for sending me this wig. I appreciate you guys so much, and I love working with y'all. Overall, Kelly is a very, very nice wig. The hair feels nice and soft. Even with me putting water and mousse on it, it didn't get stiff. It's not crunchy. And it still has that, you know, bounce to it. The hair is just a little bit more tamed instead of it being like poofy. I don't like the poofy look. But overall, she's very nice. I haven't experienced any tangling. I have minimal shedding. I had like 2 or 3 pieces on my arm. The parting space is it looks very natural. Like, this is the part up close. I will list links down below to where you can purchase this wig. She is affordable, and I think she's a nice, cute summer look. You know, I think she's very cute. The only thing I don't like about this wig, y'all, is that it has a middle part. That's it. Other than that, the hair is really soft. And I like the length because, you know, we doing shorter units for this summer. Talk to me down below. Let me know, did you prefer the poofy look or did you like it when I put the water and the mousse on? Drop a comment down below. Let me know. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.